Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to make a chocolate mousse. What you need is 125 grams of chocolate, 50 grams of butter, 20 grams of sugar, 3 egg whites and 2 eggs. It's very important to separate the egg whites and the yolk because we're going to use 2 different steps to mix the eggs. If you mix the egg whites with the yolk, you're not going to get the eggs to look like snow. So what you want to do is you're going to melt your chocolate, and you're going to melt your butter on 2 different stoves, and then when they're both melted, you're going to put them together. You don't want to put on the very high, or because then you will burn your chocolate, you will burn your butter, and then the taste of your dessert won't taste really good. In the meantime, you're going to put your egg yolks on the side because you don't necessarily need them at the moment. What you want to do is you're going to grab a bowl to mix your eggs. You're going to put your egg whites in the bowl. If you have a machine to mix your eggs, I suggest to use that because it will be much quicker. If you don't, it's no big deal, you can just use this. It's just going to take a while to prepare your dessert. So what you want to do is you're going to mix the eggs until it looks like snow, and when it starts to look like snow, you want to add your sugar to have the taste. Mixing, make sure you keep an eye on your chocolate and butter and make sure to mix them. I see that it's starting to get up to look like a snow, so I'm going to already add the sugar, and I'm going to keep mixing until I see that the egg is mixed well. The reason why you don't want to add the sugar right away to your eggs, because what happens is that if the sugar is going to cook your egg, it's going to end up tasting like an omelet, and it's not going to really taste good. I see that my butter is all melted, so I'm going to add to the chocolate right now, and I'm going to mix it with this. is all melted with the butter, but I'm going to wait a couple of minutes before I add the egg yolks, just to let it cool off so it doesn't turn into an omelet. Now for your egg whites that you mix with the sugar and really well. This is what it's supposed to somewhat look like. Now while you're waiting for the chocolate to kind of cool off a little bit, you're going to move all the things that you no longer need into the sink. Before you mix everything together, you would want to prepare the glasses or something that you want to put your dessert in and to put it in the fridge for it to actually become like a mousse. So I have prepared some of the glasses that I would like to put in. And then right here, right now, I'm going to add the 2 yolks into the chocolate and I'm going to mix them together. After that, you want to add it to your egg whites and you're going to use the same thing into it. And you're going to mix it together, and this is what's going to be a little difficult to do because when you mix it, you have to go into the same routine when you mix them together. I'll show you in a minute on what I mean. You want to make sure you get all of the chocolate. You don't want to use the mix that you were using earlier. You want to use this, and when you mix it in the same routine, you want to go down and bring it up and just keep turning. Go under it to make sure the chocolate gets all in there. You mix it all in very well is when you no longer to see the egg whites. What it should look like when you don't see any more of the whites. When that is ready, you want to prepare your glass or your bowl or wherever you prepare to put your chocolate mousse, and you're going to pour all of this into it. So I prepared 3 glasses just in case. I'm going to prepare a cutting board just in case if I spill something, I won't go on the counter. Chocolate inside my glass. In order to get the mousse that you want, you're going to put your glass or your bowl in the fridge, and you're going to leave it in the fridge for 2 hours in order to get that hold, to have the reaction of the mousse that you want. So in the meantime, while I'm waiting, I'll see you in a moment. Okay guys, after a couple of hours, your chocolate mousse should look like this. Should not fall out. So there's that. So you can do a taste one to see how you like it. So this will be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell button, which is next to the subscribe button, so you can get notified when I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow all my social media, which will be down below in the description box. And I'll see you in my next video, whenever that is. Bye.